Hello, this is how we jive from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a lock or face lock to your WhatsApp. Very easy tutorial, guys. This I'm going to show you on iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can do to any Apple device, especially in iOS 26. So in this case, you have to go to your WhatsApp. I hit here. If you have here in chat, you have to hit in setting button. So you have to come here at the corner setting. In setting of WhatsApp, you'll have many options. Here at the middle, you'll see this option called privacy. You have to go inside the privacy. There are many options in privacy. And you have to go here is apps lock. Very simple, guys. Hit inside the apps lock. Is the require face ID. So without your face ID, WhatsApp not gonna open. If you don't put face ID, then you have to put your lock, your password to unlock your WhatsApp. So hit this one, face ID. I close this WhatsApp here and I try to open. You see WhatsApp require face ID. If I put my face ID, it starts. Okay. In case if we start again and we want to go unlock with face ID. If you can't unlock, then you have to put your password. Now, how you can remove this one? The same procedure, you have to go to your WhatsApp. So you have to go to the same place, privacy. And here you would see apps lock. Here we go. So require face ID, you have different timing. How many minutes later you can require that face ID. In this case, you're gonna take this off. So this off. So in this case, I click here again, so I don't need any face ID. So this is the way you can add, also remove face ID from your WhatsApp in iPhone 16, 17, 15 or any other version of Apple device you have, especially in iOS 26. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.